Hello students, now let me discuss the important objectives of business. The objectives of the business can be classified into two types. One is economic objectives and another one is the social objectives. What are economic objectives? They are going to fulfill the economic intentions of the business. Those are so called as economic objectives. So all these are the economic objectives. Let us go through one by one. The first important objective is that earning of adequate profit. As we know that the profit is nothing but it is a kind of reward or return which is going to be earned by the business organization. That is what we mean as the profit is all about. And as far as the business organization is concerned, the profit is the most important as well as one of the most important objectives of the business. How for every human being, the food is important for the sake of living. Likely the profit is also one of the most important so as to sustain for every business organization for a longer period of time. And by earning the profits, every business organizations are going to meet out their day-to-day expenses, their administrative expenses, and they can meet out their capital expenditures also. That is why by adopting the good means, the company wants to maximize the profitability of the business organization. That is what we mean as earning of adequate profits. And second thing is that creation of customers. And speaking about the customers, as we all know that customers are called as king of the market. Why? Because they are the one who are truly been accountable to every business organization. Business organizations are there in the corporate field. It is only because of the customers. If the customers are not having any kind of the demands, any kind of the desires, any kind of the wants, who are there to purchase the company products? That is why the company has to manufacture and sell the products looking to the needs as well as requirements of the customers, because there will be changing in terms of needs, demands. Looking to all those things, the company has to manufacture the products. And every business organization objective is that it wants to bring maximum satisfaction to the customers. That is why focusing the customer needs, the company has to produce the products. And third thing is that the innovation. Innovation is the one of the strongest weapon, one of the competency for every business organization. Why? Because in these days the customers are technologically conscious, looking to what kind of technology that has been induced in the products. Looking to that, they are going to purchase the product. That is why every business organization has to induce latest technology to the products which are they are going to manufacture. And technology and the innovation are going to improve the quality of the product. They are going to reduce the competition. They are going to reduce the cost of the product. That is why technology is one of the most important aspect. And fourth thing is that economic use of resources. As we all know that every business organizations are having n number of the resources. It can be men, material, labor, capital, or it can be any kind of information technology, infrastructure. So these are the some of the important resources which we can see in every business organization. And if the company wants to achieve the objective set by them, they have to utilize all those resources efficiently as well as effectively. So here the economic use in the sense there should not be any kind of the wastage with respect to use of the resources. So all these are the important economic objectives of the business organization. And next important type of the objective is social objectives. It means that these objectives are going to fulfill the social needs and social intentions of the company as well as of the society also. That is why they are so called as the social objectives. The first important social objective is that employment opportunities. When many different companies have rightly been established, because of the establishment of the companies, plenty of job opportunities have been created in the society. And if there are no companies, there will be no jobs at all. Today, unemployment has become one of the social issue, social problems that each one of us are realizing. Why? Because we are all eligible human resources. We are all having the good qualification in our hand. But the thing is that we are not having jobs to work. If there are no jobs, no earnings. That is why truly we are going to face difficulty so as to lead our life also. But that has been solved by the company itself, because they have created a number of employment opportunities based on the competency, based on the experience, based on the qualification. We can get our desired jobs. It is because of the companies only. The next thing is that protection of the environment. What companies are going to do? They are going to safeguard the environment. Why? Because the environment is the one of the gift which has been provided by the God itself. The environment is very important for every organization. Why? Because the environment is having a number of the resources which are going to be optimized by the companies. That is why whenever the companies are going to optimize the resources, they have to take care, they have to use all those resources, not making any kind of the wastage. They should not create any kind of the damage, harm with respect to the environment. Why? Because it is a Mother Earth itself. We should take the proper and suitable measures so as to protect the environment. And next thing is that the ethical practices. Each and every company has to adopt some sort of ethics to their business decisions. Good ethics is good business. It means that if you want to give the good business to society, ethics is most important aspect, speaking with respect to every business organization. If there is no ethics, the society is not going to accept your products. It is going to create bad image in the minds of the people. That is why at all the times, in all the situations, the company has to adopt ethical practices. In no way it is going to cheat the customers. It should not involve in any kind of hoarding activities. It should not create any kind of artificial scarcities. That is why from company point of view, they must be ethical from all the sides. Ethics is very important for every business organization. At the time of decision making also, they have to adopt and follow important ethical principles. And last thing is that the welfare of the employees. welfare of the employees in the sense employees are the one of the most important resources of the business organization. The company achieve the success, it is only because of the efforts put by the employees. That is why from time to time the company has to consider each and every needs and expectations of the employees. It has to pay them handsome salaries, it has to give them bonus, it has to give them medical benefits. To that extent, every business organization has to take care about the employees of their company. So all these are the important objectives of the business. Please go through the discussion. Thank you.